Hey everyone, it's Zara and I'm back to film a plan with me. This is going to be using a mystery kit from Paper Bow Prints, who unfortunately is no longer open. I do believe she's selling some of her doodles as a printables shop now, but I don't think that she has any kits for sale. So I'm just laying down everything for this week. It was for it was the week of Father's Day. But it was mostly a lazy week, so that's why I used this kind of lazy stay-at-home type kit. And I really enjoyed the colors in this kit as well. It kind of reminded me a little bit of spring, or a little bit of just, coziness. It would have been actually a good kit to use in the winter as well, but I did want to use it sooner rather than later, I guess. And also I've been trying to use up all of my kits because I just have so many kits. I have so many stickers. So I've been trying to, not really buy a lot of things, and so I've been trying to use up my stash, and this one worked well. I don't usually have any like Father's Day specific kits, so I thought this was fine. So anyways, I'm just laying down everything. The date numbers I used were actually a leftover from Paper Bow Prints. They weren't specific for this kit, but they matched really nicely. They were kind of like a taupe color. And then I'm doing my sidebar, and I do my normal like habit trackers, Monday through Sunday box, and then whatever book I'm reading for the week. However, I later at the very end of the video, off camera, changed out the dinners box, and just did a checklist with an adulting header, because whatever kit I had used in my main planner didn't have a Monday through Sunday box, and so I ended up not tracking my dinners, and so it would have been blank because I have no clue what I had for dinner 3 weeks ago. But I thought that ended up working out nicely, and I still used that like purpley color to add that pop of color in there. So now I'm just going to start talking about Monday, even though I'm not quite there. So on to Monday, I was still trying to do a workout every day, and this is the day that I think I really hit it harder than I had in the past, just because the weekend before I had been at my sister's house, and she's actually doing like a program, and so I was a little bit more motivated. We've been like texting each other when we do our workouts, or if our workout was hard, we'll complain to each other. And so I've been doing them on ClassPass, which I don't know, I don't have any like in-person ClassPasses studios near me, or like studios that connect with ClassPass, but they have a bunch of videos online that you can watch on demand for free, and then they also have like live stream workouts that you can like pay for to go to the class like in person, or at the time that they're doing it. But I figured I'm good with just the free on-demand classes. So that Tara sticker is from Pumpkin Paper Co. Then I paid my bills, and so I have this credit card sticker from the kit. And then I have this sticker, I'm not sure what shop that's from. It was from a leftover, or from a sampler, I suppose. But it's like a little like panda bear who's vacuuming, and I did some vacuuming this day, and my vacuum wasn't working right, so then I realized that my like hose was clogged with dog hair, and I think I pulled out about 3 dogs worth of dog hair out of my vacuum, but I got it working again, so that was good. And then I print and cut some new inserts for my traveler's notebook, and that printer sticker is from, who is that from? That's from Paper Company. And then I had a DVR binge. That TV sticker is from Stella Bow Sticker Co. And then my fiance was fishing this day with his family, and so I used just a car icon to mark that in. And then for work this week, I used the work labels from the kit. On Tuesday, I used a banner sticker from Rory's Sweet Addictions to mark down that it was my grandpa's birthday. And then I also used a phone icon from Paper Bow Prints to mark down that I called him. It was like a super quick on my way to work, just wanted to say hi call, but it was still really nice to talk to him. And then then I went to work, and then this day we were supposed to have our builder come and look at the repairs, because basically they came in November, said they were ordering a bunch of things to fix things in my house, and then I never heard back from them, and so then I called them again, and then it was just, so then they didn't show up this day, but then they showed up later in the week, and I still haven't heard back from them regarding the appointment later in the week, so I'll probably have to reach out to them again. I don't know if they just don't keep a planner, or if they just don't keep notes or what, but I feel like I'm gonna just have to keep on them, otherwise they're just gonna forget about me again. So I just used this oh no Tara from Pumpkin Paper Co. just to mark down that they didn't show up. Then I did a workout this day, and I used a dumbbell sticker from Paper Bow Prints. And then that night we played Mario Party, and so I have this controller sticker from Papershire. So moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday I worked in the morning, and this was our last day with our hours being 9 to 9, and then after this our hours changed from 8 to 10, so I marked down that it was just our last day of having those hours, and I used an alarm clock sticker from the kit. And then I marked down that my fiance was in the office this day. He hasn't been to the office in months, and so that was just kind of important to mark. He was just doing some things in their server room, and so it wasn't a crazy visit or anything. So I used just the sticky note from the kit to mark that in. And then I took my dog for a walk that night because she had been home all alone for the first time in a very long time for that long. And so I took her for a walk this day, and she was a total spaz, but she enjoyed it very much. And then that little leash sticker is from Paper Bow Prints. Then this night I did another workout, so I used a dumbbell sticker from Bubba Bear Studios. And then I read this night, so I used a book sticker from Paper Bow Prints. So then moving on to Thursday, this is the day that the builder actually showed up, rescheduled and showed up. And so I used this construction toolbox sticker from, I believe that's from Celebo Sticker Co. to mark down that they came. They fixed a couple of things, and then they basically re-looked at everything that they said they were going to fix in November to see if they were going to fix it or something. It was they had no notes or no memory of coming in November. And then I did the laundry this day, so I'm just using a laundry sticker from the kit. And then I did a workout, so that workout shoe sticker is from River and Ink. And then on this day I watched a dog class. We did this little dog class. It was just a couple weeks long, but it was just videos that they'd post every week, and it was free, but it's through the dog place that we would have taken her to do dog classes if they were open. And I'm not 100% sold on them or anything like that. I haven't even watched the last video. I don't know if I can still access it, because that was last week the class technically ended, so I'll have to look. But that laptop sticker is from the kit, if I didn't say that already. And then this was the day that we had our new hours at work, and so I have this sleepy Tara sticker to mark that in, because I am not a night owl. I get up at 5 a.m. a lot of mornings, most mornings, and so staying up till 10 o'clock working is just not my forte. So that's a big adjustment to me. And then also working until 10 o'clock and then having to turn around and work at 7:30 the next morning is a lot too, just because that's just not a lot of time to relax, decompress, and then get ready for the next day. And then on Friday I worked at 7:30, super early, and then after work I decided that I needed to go to the grocery store. And so I just used a grocery shopping sticker from the kit. This day I did another workout. That dumbbell sticker, I believe, is a leftover from a Chloe Collectives, I think she's Cactus Paper Co. now, kit. And then on Friday night, my fiance had been gone a couple times during the week, and so he was gone on Monday night, Wednesday night, and then he was going to be gone all day Saturday. So this day we just basically kind of hung out together, made some time. So I used like a date night sticker from the kit to over some washi to mark down that we just kind of had like a date night, more or less. And then we played a couple of games. So we played this game called Satisfactory, which I don't know if I really loved it. It was like a computer type game, but it was just hard because I get a little bit nauseous in first person games, or I don't know what you call that from. Like when you're the perspective of the character, and so like anytime you move your mouse, like it moves your whole screen. Those kind of make me nauseous, or like motion sick. So I have this desk sticker from, it's from Pretty on Paper Co., who's no longer open. And then I also have a controller to mark down that we played Mario Party. The controller is from the Littlest Planner, who I have a coupon for down below. And then on to Saturday. Saturday I marked down that my fiance was gone this day. I think he was hanging out with his dad. I think they were in like a clay shooting tournament, whatever those like clay discs are called. And then on this day I actually slept in. I think what happened is my dog woke me up at like 4 a.m. wanting to eat, and I fed her and just went back to bed. So, more or less sleeping in, because I didn't actually get out of bed or get up at 4 a.m. like I normally would, if she woke me up that early. And then that sleep in sticker is from Paper Boat Prints as well. Then I have a workout sticker. I'm not sure where that dumbbell sticker is from. I think it might be from Sunset Sticker Co., but I'm not 100% sure. But she's no longer open if it is from her. Just to mark down that I did another workout. And then after my workout, I really wanted to just relax and take a bath. So I used a bathtub sticker from EBGB to mark down bath time. And then I was reading At Bertram's Hotel by Agatha Christie. Not my favorite of her works, but I still wanted to get through it just because I'd been kind of like reading it for a couple of weeks now. And so that currently reading sticker is from Design Pandemonium, I believe. And then this day I started my scrapbook for my niece. For all of my nieces and nephew, I've made them a scrapbook for their first year of life. And so she just turned 2, so a little behind on it, but finally sat down, made the first couple of pages. And so that scrapbook sticker is from Papershire. I also did some filming, and so that film clapper I believe is also a leftover from Cactus Paper Co., but don't quote me on that. And then that was just to mark down that I did some filming. So then on to Sunday. Sunday was it was Father's Day, and then it was my fiance's sister's birthday. So I just used the balloon sticker from Paper Boat Prints to mark down both of those. And then this day for my dad's Father's Day present, I was just looking at some houses for him. Not to buy him a house, but just because they had been talking about maybe getting a lake house, and he wanted me to look at them because he doesn't live where I live. And ultimately he decided not to buy one. I think they're going to buy a different rental property, but we just kind of toured around, saw a couple of houses, and so just used a house sticker from the kit. Then we did a workout, and I think by workout it was that we walked around a lot, but still marked it, and I used a running sticker from Pumpkin Paper Co. Then we did another dog class, and that laptop is from Paper Boat Prints. And then I had to email the caterer this day because we were going to go do a tasting with them. So I had to email them what our menu selections were for the tasting. And so again, that laptop sticker, I'm not sure, or computer sticker, I'm not sure where that sticker is from, but it's very cute. And then I did some planning. And so that planner sticker is from Paper Bow Prints as well. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As you can see, like I said, I changed the sidebar a little bit, so that's in there now. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will just catch you in the next one. Bye.